Yeah.
It's their own fault.
Pero syempre. Okay, tapos na kami ng Niagara Falls. So syempre, dadaan ang mga girlalus. Yes, like girlaloo. It's that's you and mommy and ate, tita Ab. Fat. So we're here. Anong tawag dito sa outlet na to, ate?
Premium outlet.
Oh, premium outlet lang. Walang like special name. Oh, there. There's one there. Yeah, there's one there. Alright, are you guys ready to go? We don't need the jacket. I think it's one inside. Ate, no? It's outdoor.
No, it's outdoor.
Ah, that one is outdoor? Really?
Outdoor, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like the
It's like my MacArthur Glen. Okay.
Oh, Dad.
Alright. Okay, jacket lang mga kiddos. Hey fam, syempre hindi pwedeng kompleto. Hindi makokompleto rather ang
birthday.
ang birthday and pasyal kung hindi makakapunta ng Premium Outlet. Where all the sale. Where we can find all the sale. Pero sana walang sale. Masyado. Para swabe lang. Yan o. Oh. Yan si Ian. Pagod na yan. Naghahang na yan. Pero laban pa rin. And yan si Davon. Hi kuya. And Ate Apple, shopping time daw. Shopping time.
Shopping ang birthday girl.
Spoil the birthday girl. Yeah. Kuya Jason. Saan tayo, love? Doon, diretso. Hello. And we're back to Pasyal. You like Pasyal, kuya? Yeah? Opo. Okay, oh. Yan, oh. Si Kuya Jason. Andun na daw ang mga girls sa Aritzia. Okay. Ayan. May sale ba or there's always a sale? Oh, there's always a sale. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. 30 off. Oh my. Oh no. We have a sale. Because there's a sale. There shouldn't be a sale. It's 208, 30 off. Then it's gonna be...
Daddy, why are there a sale? What means sale?
Sale means it's mommy's favorite. Okay po? That's what it means when you say sale. It's mommy's favorite. Oh no, may sale or walang sale? Yes. Oh shoot. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. 30%, 192. This is nice. Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. Super puff shorty. Come on, Kuya. Let's look. Teka. Sale din, 175. Super puff. Maganda. Yeah. Ito, Kulduroy. Uy! Ang muna naman ito, love. 50% off. Ito yung katulad nung kay di ba? Kay sister. Pero ano yung kanya?
Hindi, ano kanya? Vest.
Vest.
Kilay.
Gano'n yung kay Light?
150 sale yun.
Oo. Ito, 124. 125. Okay. Good. This one's $245. Oh, ganda. Yeah, this one's nice. But you already have one. Ah, ibang kulay. Okay. No. No. Let's go! Nakasurvive sa isang store. Parang ano to, lab eh, parang ang vlog ko is parang survival eh. Parang nakasurvive kami sa isang store, Aritza. Oo. Next challenge naman. Yung Bath and Body Works, lab, tingin ka nga. Abercrombie. Grabe oh. Lagi talagang may sale.
Mikey, parang
Oh yeah. Oh, all body care. $6. That's why. Yes, okay, survive. Another store. Hi, I'm here. Where's Uncle Jason? Oh, there. There's Uncle Jason. Yeah. Okay, syempre kami naman boys. Kami naman mga boys. Tingin tayo. Syempre Nike. Tayo sa Nike dito. In what's this, Oakville? We're in Oakville or Burlington?
No, still Niagara Falls.
Oh, still Niagara Falls. Okay. Still Niagara Premium Outlet.
Still Niagara Falls.
Where's my Kuya Devan? Oh man, this is good value. 2 for $30. 15 isa oh. Shirt lang. Yeah, I think I need to buy one of this. How much is it? Like 50? 100. 100.
50 bucks off.
50, yeah, 50 off.
But put back the tax.
Plus, yeah, around 120, right? Yeah. Okay, papasyal ko kayo dito sa Nike. Okay, guys and fam, we're just here at Niagara Falls. Where's my Kuya Davon? Kuya Davon, you need to follow us, okay? Alright, we're here at Niagara Falls Premium Outlet. So, tingin tayo dito. Pasyal, kasama sa pasyal. Wow. Wow, additional. This is steal. This is a steal. This one plus 40 off. So this is just 20 bucks. Yeah. This is addition. Yeah, this is just 20 bucks. The price 35 for the kiddos. Okay, let's go. Okay din, no? 50. Yung pang baby talaga. 40. 40. Oh, additional 40 off, love. It's 34. Tingin nga ako. Yeah, ganito yung kay Davon dati, di ba?
Pero sa school nga kailangan slip-on, right?
Yeah, that's right. So ano yan? Kid 1, Kid 2? Meron na siyang for kid. Yung Adidas niya kasi, love, pang ano na yan eh. Pang forever na yun eh. Okay. Hanap ka lang dyan. Okay, oh. 8C additional 40% off. Ha?
Pasukat mo nga. Why? Yeah.
It's 35. Wala ka na ba doon? Ha? Wala ka na sapatos? Are you sure? Cool. for Kuya. This one. Oh, 129. That's expensive. Okay, where's my Kuya Davon? Yeah, I know you like that. Okay, can you try this?
You wanna try that one on?
Yeah. Try. Thank you, ate.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Looks big though.
Kasi kailangan kasi parang slip-on lang sa
okay.
kindergarten.
Yeah.
It shouldn't have any
What size is it?
too
Yeah, it's too big.
too big.
Too big.
Pero ito kasi pwede na to.
No.
So parang pinipredict na lang namin like, after 1 year niya.
Oh, okay. Yeah. it
After
can
1
be.
year niya. Parang naka-store lang siya ba?
Yeah. Take off it. It's kind of big, but pero next year siguro pwede na. Okay na yan. Uy! Oh, you wanna try out? Ng paa.
This is good?
Shopping
This is
din.
good? Okay.
Shopping. But size is your foot. Is that how it is?
Oh, wow! Ang galing mamili ni Lian! The pink Cortez.
Wow.
Pink. Oh, you're pretty! Ah!
Nice one.
Ang galing. Okay.
Nice. Here, put it on the
Okay. Budol number 1. 30, 35 lang naman.
plus 40% off.
I don't know. Oh, this is 30. Oh yeah, this is 35 plus 40% off pa.
Additional 40% off?
20 na lang. $20 more or less. Oh, tingnan mo yung anak kong dalaga, oh. Ang galing mamili, oh. Jordan talaga, Jordan 13. Jordan 13, right? No, this is for Kuya. We need to pick for you. Lian? No, it's not that one. Kasi it's too big.
Where's my shoe?
Yeah, we need to look for your shoes. Okay, pili tayo. Pili tayo for Lian. Pili tayo for Lian.
Much better.
Ah, that's much better? Okay. Okay, pero pwede ba kay maklinahan yan? Ah, kasi yan lang yung ikakabit. Okay.
This mine.
No, that's for, baby boys.
Mine is here. Mine is here.
34 din eh. 6, 6 ba siya? Di ba hindi?
Hindi na.
8. Yeah, 8, 9,
9 na siya. 8, 9 na siya.
Okay. Ay, ang mura naman dito. 70 Jordan. 49 Jordan. 99. Pass na ako dyan. Pass na ako sa mga ganon. Oh, this one is nice. Ang dami. 60. 60.
The mirror is right there.
Oh wow, original price 115 for girls. 74 na lang. Ito. Check. Oh, mahal talaga to eh. Yeah, mahal talaga to. 30. Additional 40 off. Ito yung nagpapamura talaga eh. Additional 40 off eh. $99 and then additional 40 off. So 60 na lang to. Yeah, 60 na lang to. 60 bucks. 99 and then 60 na lang to. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if gusto ni Donna. Kasi medyo boots siya eh. Pang winter eh. Love, $60 na lang yan, love. For you. Boots.
Wow. Nice.
Sige nga, sukatin mo nga. Tapos maghanap din ako, baka may men na ganyan. So, may boots na ako. May boots na din ako. Ano naman na to? Ano naman na to? Dun. Sure na to, no? Thank you guys for helping.
Oh, no worries. Ganda nyo na.
Yes, I know. And then it's really for winter,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Right?
Yung ilalim pati.
Oh yeah, it's really for winter. Kasi may ganito siya eh.
Yeah. 60 lang?
60. 100 siya and then additional 40. So 60. Is it soft? You need to wear with both.
It's
Where?
soft inside.
Yeah, I mean, wear mo siya dalawa. Check. Sorry if medyo magulo yung video kasi nagkagulo talaga pag ano eh. Pag outlet. Nakifeel niyo ba gaano kagulo? Nagkakagulo talaga pag outlet. Parang agawan eh. Okay, boys naman. 7. That's not my size. It should be 12 or 11. 12 or 11. 10. Still not my size. Ito. Dito. Dito. My 40 off additional. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Ganda, huh? 129. Oh, Zion. Additional 40 yun. So more or less $60 na lang yun. Ano tayo? Ayun. This one is 109. 109 additional 40, parang 70, 60. Okay, fam. Tingnan ko to. Oh! So wala akong ano eh. Wala pa akong snow boots. Ganda na ito, pwede din ah. Ano kaya ito? Waterproof. See? Nice. Sticky rubber. Pero hindi ko alam kung waterproof siya. Okay. Record ako ulit. Check ko lang to sa internet kung ano ang feedback. Okay? Okay, ito. Sukat time.
O, diba? 13.
Yeah. Yeah. Sticky. Nagkaroon bigla ng snow boots. Pero gusto ko yung black, love.
Yeah. Pero,
Kasi ano siya eh, 109 and then 40% off pa.
pero ito naman kasi pang every, I don't know. Mas bagay, ito talagang
Yeah, mas okay talaga yun.
formal.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
KD, 20% off. 89, 10% is $9 minus $18. Minus $20 pa, 69 na lang doon. Sarap. Ito. Sa 80 na lang, oh. Mura. Yeah, that's good. Puff. Tingnan tayo puff jacket. For the kids. Ganda, oh.
Binabayaran niya na.
Oh, binabayaran na ba niya? Okay. Parang late pa ako sa news eh, no?
Ha?
Late pa ako sa news talaga eh, no? Nauna pa siya doon eh. Nasaan? Sale lahat. Sale. Nasaan Nasaan yung men? Andun pala sa kabila. Oh, 109. Yung kailangan ko yung mga ganun eh. Yung Jaeger. Jogger pants. So I'm good. I'm good. I'm good na. 109 is just expensive. Dan na lab, binayaran mo na? Okay. Alright. Wala eh. Meron dito 109 but that's pricey. That's pricey for me. Okay. Let's go. And that's the Nike haul. Ano ba to? 2 kids. Naka-survive. 2 kids lang. That's better, kuya. Mainit doon sa loob. Init. Come on, let's go. Hold daddy's hand. Kasi baka mawala ka dito. Baka mawala ka. I don't want to lose you. You know? I don't want to lose you, right? The North Face. 50 off. 60 off. Are you okay, kuya? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Pipila ako, love. Pipila ako. Ha? Or babounce na ba tayo? Do we need to go? 3:30 na ba?
2:53. You guys have 30 minutes.
Okay, we have 30 minutes. After ng playground nila, let's get a photo there.
Daddy, please.
Niagara.
Oh yeah, sure.
Niagara. You had fun with uncle and auntie and tita? Alright. For sure, man. For sure. Wow! Niagara! Okay. Hey fam, gulo-gulo na. So, high energy pa si Davon. Pero low energy na. And survive. Ang nabili lang namin ay for the kids. Nike lang. Nike shoes lang for the kids. Kasi mabibilis mabilis lumaki yung paa. So, naghahanda lang. Kasi syempre, you don't want to buy things na yung pagkasya na. Magkano lang yan, love? Ang isang shoe? 25? Yeah. So murang-mura yung nabili ni Donna. So good, at least good na sila for the next year and the next 2 years pa yan. Kasi malaki eh. Right? Okay. So we're going to Scarborough now to meet with the uncles, the Uncle Lola and Uncle Lolo.
I like you.
I love you.
I like you.
I love you. You should not like, but you love. You need to love your
I
daddy.
like you. I love
Because
you.
daddy loves you.
I love you.
I love you. Okay. So, later fam. Mag-ano muna kami. Rest lang sa sasakyan. Drive sina kuya. We're going to Scarborough again to go to the restaurant. Favorite Chinese restaurant. Right? Okay. See ya and catch you later. Wow, daming food. That's yummy. That's crispy.
Where's tofu?
This one is the tofu. Is this tofu? I think so. Let's see. Wow, yummy. Happy birthday ulit, Mami. Yeah, do. Uncle, daming food. We're at Ponji Queen here in Scarborough. So, kakain lang kami.
Chicken di kuya.
Yan, chicken. Oh. Chicken puyo, your favorite. Yes, yes, yes. The crispy is there. The crispy is there. Okay. And Lian too. Yay. Right. See you later. Here you go. We're done. We're done with the day 3 dinner. And thank you everyone. Thank you, Uncle, for the dinner. Watch and wait for our videos. We're gonna be uploading it soon.
Alba fam time.
Literal Alba. The Alba fam bam.
Birthday.